Go.
Okay, hi kids. Today we're going to show you how a dishwasher was back in 1988. Alright, this is it. Go ahead, Ben, you're better narrated than me.
Okay, kids, this is your dad. I'm running the camera right now. There's your mom in the way there for a sec, but we'll come over here and look at it. That's a dishwasher. We'll come back here. This is your little mama. She looks young, doesn't she, kids? And today, what's the date today? 25th? Today's March 25th, and this is exactly the week before we're gonna get married. And your dad just wanted to show you how your mom did dishes, so you little girls, you need to hop in and do dishes too. Help your mom. She's helping Grandma today. Okay. Oh, well, shut up.